Hello everyone, I'm at this site. So whenever you log in to your Google account, one set of credentials do you need? You need username and password, right? But what if your password is compromised or the attacker gets to your password, and then what he can do is that using that particular password, he can log in to your respective Google account and access all of your critical files and folders. So how do you protect yourself from this kind of thing? For that, in security, we have a concept which is called by the name of an MFA, Multi-Factor Authentication. So if in your Google account you have enabled the MFA part, what is going to happen is then you can install up the application like the Google Authenticator or the Microsoft Authenticator or the Authy apps, and once you link it with your Google account, a code gets generated every 30 seconds. A 6-digit code gets generated. So the next time when you try to log into your Google account, you have to enter the username, password, and that 6-digit code which changes every 30 seconds. And once you enter it, the system gets to know that you are who you say you are, and you provide the access to your account. So that's what the MFA is all about. So guys, this was it. Thank you.